I've been a Hi Mountain Seasoning and Hi Mountain Jerky fan for many years. They've been a big supporter of the TV show, and I was actually a big fan of their products before they had anything to do with the Hunt, Fish, Cook, or Sporting Chef shows. If you want to make jerky at home, Hi Mountain has got you covered. They have some great jerky kits with a number of different flavors, all of their seasonings. This is what my pantry looks like. But here's something new. If you don't want to make your own jerky, or you just want to buy some really good quality jerky, Hi Mountain now makes jerky. We've got mesquite, hickory, original, and pepper, some of the most popular flavors right here. And you can find all of these products and all of those products and a whole lot more at HiMTNJerky.com.